Hi, viewers! As the quest for longevity continues to captivate minds and spirits worldwide, understanding the intricate dance between nutrition and wellness has never been more crucial. In today's video, we delve into the world of the top 10 cooking oils that are not only champions in the kitchen, but also allies in our collective journey towards a more vibrant, healthier tomorrow. Also, stick to the end of the video to find out a few cooking oils that you need to avoid at any cost to protect your life. Now let's start. 1. Olive oil. When you cook with olive oil, the monounsaturated fats, primarily oleic acid, come into play first. Unlike saturated fats, which may lead to increased LDL, bad cholesterol levels, monounsaturated fats help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. The polyphenols in olive oil also play a crucial role. They have anti-inflammatory properties, reducing the body's inflammatory responses, which are linked to a host of chronic diseases, including cancer and Alzheimer's. Chronic inflammation is often described as a silent killer, contributing to many causes of death. Research has found that olive oil contains heart-healthy compounds and may help prevent conditions like obesity, metabolic syndrome, and type 2 diabetes. Regular consumption of olive oil has been associated with lower levels of inflammation, thereby potentially extending one's lifespan. However, there's a catch. Olive oil has a lower smoke point compared to other oils, meaning it may break down and lose some of its beneficial properties at high temperatures. To preserve its health benefits, it's best used at low to medium cooking temperatures or added to dishes after they've been cooked. 2. Coconut oil. At the heart of coconut oil's benefits are the medium-chain triglycerides, particularly lauric acid, which constitutes about 50% of its fat content. Unlike long-chain fatty acids found in many other oils, medium-chain triglycerides head straight to the liver from the digestive tract, where they may be used as a quick source of energy or turned into ketones. Ketones are substances produced when the liver breaks down fats, and they may have powerful benefits for the brain, potentially reducing the risk of conditions like Alzheimer's and dementia. Moreover, medium-chain triglycerides have been shown to increase the rate of metabolism compared to longer-chain fats, leading to more effective weight management and reducing obesity risk, a significant factor in chronic disease and mortality. By promoting a healthy weight, coconut oil indirectly supports longevity. Studies show that coconut oil may boost the moisture content of dry skin. It may also improve the function of the skin, helping prevent excessive water loss and protecting you from external factors such as infectious agents, chemicals, and allergens. This is essential to protecting our bodies and supporting longevity. Incorporating coconut oil into cooking requires a nuanced approach. Its high saturated fat content gives it a solid consistency at room temperature and a high smoke point, making it suitable for baking, frying, and stewing. 3. Avocado oil. This oil, extracted from the flesh of avocados, is a wellspring of monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and other compounds pivotal to aging gracefully and healthily. Oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat found in avocado oil, is instrumental in cardiovascular health, helping to lower bad LDL cholesterol while raising good HDL cholesterol. This balance is critical to reducing heart disease risk, a leading concern in longevity. Beyond its heart-healthy fats, avocado oil is loaded with antioxidants, particularly vitamin E, which combats oxidative stress in the body. By neutralizing the free radicals causing oxidative stress, the antioxidants in avocado oil protect the body's cells, promoting healthier aging and reducing the risk of diseases that may shorten life expectancy. Additionally, avocado and its oil are relatively good sources of lutein, a carotenoid and antioxidant that's naturally found in your eyes. Research has shown that a diet rich in lutein and another carotenoid called zeaxanthin is essential for eye health and may reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, which are common age-related eye diseases. Strong eyesight is a sign of a healthy life. With one of the highest smoke points of any cooking oil, avocado oil may withstand high temperatures without breaking down and losing its nutritional value, making it ideal for frying, sautéing, grilling, and baking. 4. Flaxseed Oil. The journey towards longevity with flaxseed oil begins at the cellular level with alpha-linolenic acid. It is a type of essential fatty acid that the body cannot produce on its own and thus must acquire through diet. Once ingested, alpha-linolenic acid works to reduce inflammation throughout the body, a critical factor since chronic inflammation is linked to numerous age-related diseases, including heart disease, arthritis, and cognitive decline. By mitigating inflammation, flaxseed oil helps preserve the body's vitality and reduces the risk of these ailments. In a study involving 50 constipated patients on hemodialysis, after 4 weeks of consuming flaxseed oil, the frequency of bowel movements increased and stool consistency improved. A healthy digestive system directly supports longevity. However, flaxseed oil has a low smoke point. Therefore, flaxseed oil is best used unheated, added to foods after cooking, used in salad dressings, smoothies, or drizzled over finished dishes. Moreover, flaxseed oil should be stored in a dark, cool place, preferably the refrigerator, to prevent it from turning rancid due to its sensitive polyunsaturated fat content. 5. Walnut Oil. Extracted from the nuts that have been a staple of human diets for thousands of years, walnut oil brings to the table a rich blend of nutrients. One study in 15 adults with overweight or obesity and moderately high cholesterol levels found that consuming walnut oil significantly improved blood vessel function, which in turn could help lower blood pressure. A healthy blood pressure protects our hearts and supports a longer life expectancy. Walnut oil is rich in antioxidants, particularly tocopherols, vitamin E variants, which combat oxidative stress, a condition characterized by an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. Regular consumption of antioxidant-rich walnut oil may therefore help maintain cellular integrity, reducing the wear and tear on the body that leads to aging and disease. Furthermore, this oil is also a good source of magnesium, zinc, and selenium, minerals that play crucial roles in maintaining bodily functions that are essential for aging healthily. For instance, they support immune function, bone health, and cognitive performance, all of which may decline with age. Walnut oil shines as a finishing oil due to its low smoking point. Its rich, nutty flavor enhances the taste of salads, pasta, and baked goods. Additionally, while walnut oil is a powerhouse of nutrients, it should be consumed in moderation due to its high calorie density. 6. Sesame Oil. This oil, derived from the humble sesame seed, is a conduit for longevity, interweaving ancient wisdom with modern science. The journey to longevity through sesame oil begins with its high concentration of unsaturated fats. These beneficial fats, particularly linoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acid, play a pivotal role in cardiovascular health. They help in managing cholesterol levels, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. Plus, one small study among 46 people with type 2 diabetes found that using sesame oil for 90 days significantly improved fasting blood sugar and long-term biomarkers of blood sugar management. A normal blood sugar level is essential to keeping our health at its finest. Moreover, sesame oil is replete with 2 unique antioxidants, sesamol and sesamin. These compounds scavenge harmful free radicals in the body, mitigating oxidative stress, a key contributor to aging and degenerative diseases. By combating oxidative damage, sesame oil helps preserve cellular integrity and function, curbing the biological processes that lead to aging and disease. While sesame oil holds a moderate smoke point, making it suitable for medium heat cooking, its most potent health benefits are best preserved when used at lower temperatures or added to dishes after cooking. The distinct, nutty flavor of sesame oil makes it an excellent finishing oil for salads, stir-fries, and soups. 7. Almond oil. Almond oil, a sweet and subtle treasure derived from pressed almonds, carries with it the whisper of longevity. Central to almond oil's benefits is its abundance of monounsaturated fats, primarily oleic acid, akin to that found in olive oil. These fats are heart-healthy, contributing significantly to reducing the levels of LDL-DL, bad cholesterol while elevating HDL good, cholesterol fostering a balanced lipid profile essential for cardiovascular health. Moreover, in one study, participants who consumed a breakfast with added almond oil had lower blood sugar both after the meal and throughout the day compared to participants who did not eat almond oil. Thus, almond oil contributes to a robust, healthy, and long life. Furthermore, almond oil is packed with other essential nutrients, such as magnesium and phosphorus, which support bone health. As we age, maintaining strong bones becomes increasingly important to prevent osteoporosis and ensure mobility and independence. The presence of these minerals in almond oil complements its other heart-healthy and antioxidant properties, creating a holistic approach to aging well. While it has a relatively high smoke point, making it suitable for sautéing and baking, however, given its high caloric density, portion control is essential to avoid inadvertent weight gain, which could counteract its health benefits. 8. Grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil, extracted from the seeds of grapes, a byproduct of winemaking, embodies a remarkable blend of properties that contribute to longevity. Vitamin E, which is abundant in grapeseed oil, protects cells from oxidative stress, a condition characterized by excessive free radicals that may cause chronic inflammation, aging, and a variety of diseases. By neutralizing these free radicals, vitamin E in grapeseed oil aids in maintaining cellular health and delaying the aging process. Grapeseed oil also contains proanthocyanidins. These compounds contribute not only to the oil's antioxidant capacity, but also to its anti-inflammatory properties, further supporting cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of chronic conditions that may shorten life expectancy. One 2-month study in 44 overweight or obese females showed that taking grapeseed oil daily improved insulin resistance and reduced levels of C-reactive protein, a common inflammatory marker protecting our body from various diseases. While its high smoke point allows for versatile use, it's important to avoid overheating the oil to the point of smoking excessively. Additionally, due to its high omega-6 content, grapeseed oil should be used in balance with sources of omega-3 fatty acids, like flaxseed or fish oil, to maintain a healthy fatty acid ratio in the diet. 9. Hemp Seed Oil. Central to hemp seed oil's role in promoting longevity is its optimal ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids, approximately a 3:1 balance, which is considered ideal for human health. This ratio helps to maintain cellular function and reduce systemic inflammation, a key factor in chronic diseases and aging. Chronic inflammation is implicated in many age-related conditions, such as cardiovascular disease, arthritis, and cognitive decline. By counteracting inflammation, hemp seed oil aids in reducing the risk of these conditions, thereby promoting a healthier, longer life. In fact, a 20-week study concluded that dietary hemp oil resulted in the improvement of eczema symptoms. Thus, hemp seed contributes to longevity by protecting us from infections. However, hemp seed oil has a low smoke point, making it unsuitable for frying or high-heat cooking. Instead, it shines when used in cold dishes or added to foods after cooking. 10. Sunflower oil. This widely used oil is not just a kitchen staple, but also a contributor to a life extended through its thoughtful consumption and biological impacts on health. We all know that a healthy heart is a cornerstone of longevity. The unsaturated fatty acids, including both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, found in sunflower oil are essential for heart health, playing a significant role in lowering LDL bad cholesterol levels and maintaining HDL good cholesterol levels, protecting our hearts. A study in 15 healthy adults found that those who ate a diet rich in high oleic sunflower oil for 10 weeks had significantly lower blood levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides compared with those who ate a diet containing a similar amount of saturated fat. Thus, sunflower oil protects our hearts and contributes to longevity. Additionally, sunflower oil contains other compounds such as linoleic acid, which is an essential fatty acid that the body cannot produce on its own. Linoleic acid is known for its skin health benefits and its role in maintaining the body's natural barrier against bacteria and other external agents. When it comes to cooking, sunflower oil is versatile due to its light flavor and high smoke point, making it suitable for a variety of cooking methods. Now, let's look at 4 oils that should not be used in cooking. Some oils, despite their health benefits when consumed cold, become detrimental when heated. You need to avoid them while cooking. 1. Wheat germ oil. Wheat germ oil has a low smoke point, which makes it unsuitable for cooking. Wheat germ oil is best consumed unheated, added to smoothies, or drizzled over finished dishes. 2. Fish oil. Fish oil is known for its high concentration of beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, EPA acids, EPA and DHA, which are crucial for brain and heart health. However, fish oil is not suitable for cooking due to the fact that heat may destroy its omega-3 fatty acids. 3. Unrefined safflower oil. Unrefined safflower oil, while healthy in its cold form due to its monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, has a low smoke point. This makes it unsuitable for frying or high-heat cooking as it may oxidize easily. 4. Pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seed oil is rich in antioxidants and nutrients, making it beneficial for health when used in cold weather. However, it is sensitive to heat, which may destroy its nutritional value and lead to the formation of harmful byproducts. Incorporating these cooking oils into your diet may contribute to a balanced, nutritious lifestyle, enhancing your journey towards longevity. However, it's important to use them in moderation and as part of a varied diet to harness their health benefits fully. Also, always consult with your dietitian before adding a new cooking oil to your diet. Now that we have discussed the many healthy cooking oils and how to incorporate them into your diet, let's dive into other topics of interest. Shall we? Watch! Change your life with the 12 healthiest foods you should eat every morning. You may also try our video on 38 delicious foods that contain almost 0 calories. Go ahead, click one. Or better yet, watch both. Which of the earlier mentioned cooking oils do you use often? Let us know in the comments below.